Hey, welcome back to my channel. We are working through 52 pleasure tips, one tip per week, because this is the year of pleasure for Black women. And I'm going to give you pleasure tip number 3 in just a moment. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sensual Energy Alchemy. We are dedicating all of 2024 to pleasure. We've done the healing. We're doing the healing. We're doing the work, all the things, but we're leaving out the fun as though, no, not yet. We can't. We must be healed more before we can really actually enjoy the things. Sis, no, we're going to enjoy the things right now. So here's tip number 3. For tip number 3, we're getting into how does it sound? Oh my goodness. The sounds of pleasure. Yes, this can be moans of ecstasy from your own self-pleasure or with your lover or lovers, however you are fulfilling your sensual and sexual desires these days. It can also be the music you listen to, jazz, hip hop, classical, neo soul. What songs do you hear that arouse your body, that bring you pleasure, that when you hear them just make you light up inside? One song is Get Off by Prince. No surprise there, I'm sure, but Get Off is amazing. 23 positions in the one night stand. Get off, right? So find songs that light you up. Find songs that have your body feeling juicy. It doesn't have to be because anyone else is involved or it has to do with anyone else. This is all about you. Selfishly, what songs arouse you and excite you? I'm going to date myself. Melissa Morgan, to me, baby. Oh, another Prince song, by the way, because, you know, he wrote it and did it first. Is it Janet Jackson? Funny how time flies. Or maybe That's the Way Love Goes. Ooh, yes, I am enjoying myself because I enjoy music, all of the music. So this week, make a playlist, a sensual playlist. I have about 12 varieties of sensual playlists. Some of them have the same songs, and then there are different songs. It depends on the mood. Sabrina Claudio, Alina Baraz, great additions to a sensual playlist. Create a playlist for yourself, something that just gets you in the mood. There's a song called Get You in the Mood. It's by the Whispers. I think it's by the Whispers. I can hear it in my mind, but I can't sing it because I can't get the melody right. Hey. All right, so that's pleasure tip number 3 for this week. Create a sensual playlist. Something that arouses you, excites your body, gets your juices flowing, makes you just want to say, ooh, yes. Something you can play while you eat, pleasure tip number 2, or while you're getting dressed in all those clothes we mentioned from pleasure tip number 1. See how it all kind of starts to flow together? You'll see. You just wait. I'll see you next week for pleasure tip number 4. Bye.